What is going on, guys? This is Joe here from smartpassivelifestyle.com. Welcome to my Breakout Code Reloaded review. Now I'm here inside the members area of Breakout Code Reloaded. During this video, I'm going to be giving you a full run through of what Breakout Code Reloaded is and how you can use it to make the best out of it. So what exactly is Breakout Code Reloaded? Well, Breakout Code Reloaded is basically an info course that will teach you how to make money on online, leveraging the power of a solo ads along with email marketing. And don't freak out, because literally everything has been done for you. All the pages, all the funnels, and of course all the emails are being packed together for you. That is why it's called Reloaded, because they've actually launched some few back, which is called Breakout Code and Breakout Code 2.0. so this is the Reloaded. So basically everything, they have a case story of how they actually made $446,000 in just 2020 alone. And of course in 2021, as you can see, the year is just halfway, and of course they've made almost $46,000. And all the case stories are basically inside, which as you can see right here, this is the case study going from of course this to this, $446,000. so these guys literally know what they are talking about, and of course they are part of the big affiliates and vendors on Warrior Plus and network. So which is why, as you know, I always like to promote products that have a case studies, because that shows that not to me but also to the people I'm promoting the product to, that actually the product works, and of course the strategy they share work. So I'm going to be going into more detail. If that's not something that you are interested in, be sure to stick around, because I've also have some cool stuff to share with you, because I have a discount for you. I also have their previous product for you, literally all the funnels. So if you want to grab Breakout Code Reloaded, all you have to do is to click on the first link down below this YouTube video. If you click on that, it will take you to the my own personal bonus page, which look exactly like this. All you have to do is to click on this text right here. As you can see, my bonus page is going to be coming down as of August 17, so 11 p.m. So once you click on that, of course you can click on any of this yellow button. As you can see, I have a timer, so all you need to do, of course, or any of this button below my bonuses. So once you click on that, of course it will take you to the to the source page, which look exactly like this, which is what I told you, that I have something very cool for you, which is basically a discount. Remember, I always try my best to actually try and find a way of securing discount for you on this channel. So of course all you have to do, once on the source page, just scroll through and of course come back, try to go back to another page and come back, and this discount will actually pop up, and that is how you can claim $4 discount. By applying this, you can literally get the product for just 12 bucks, because originally the product is $16.97 bucks. So once you apply this, of course you can get to stand a chance of claiming this discount. Let's quickly take a look at the source page. It says still struggling online without nothing to show for it. One click equals to a blast of 1,867 straight into our account. New case study and training reveal a little known breakout hack that making James $58,000 monthly, and how you can literally replicate that in just a matter of 20 minutes. No expensive method, no experience required, and of course no any BS. And of course, like I told you, their product is all information product. Basically what they do in their business is an every single day. That is what their product is all about. So it says evergreen, set up once and of course continue profiting, instant access on autopilot, proof method of making money out of a thin air, perfect for newbies, works little like a charm in 2021. No making videos, requires step-by-step video training, expose the entire process. So literally this course is just like their flagship program, which actually cost around $600. so this is just like a fraction of it. So this is some of some testimonial from other people. As you can see, these are what they are saying, basically that they actually got beta access to the program. So these are some income screenshot, and this is all, as you can see, this is $58,000 that they are saying. And of course that is why I told you that nothing like a BS with this guy's product. They literally do what they are preaching. So as you can see, these are other so this is the guys right here, Mark and James. Of course this is the source page. Feel free to actually go through it and take a look at what they have for you. So yeah, let's actually, these are some other income screenshot. $1,000, $351,000. These are other affiliate commissions. As you can see, all these are withdrawals. So yeah, let's quickly take a look at these are some testimonials as well. So let's go back to my bonuses. So my bonus number 1, I am going to be offering you the breakout code, which is basically the product, the first version of the breakout, of course, that they launched a while back. And not only that, I'm also going to be offering you all the upsells, which is basically all the OTOs, so you don't have to actually bother about buying any of the upsells. So I have a license right of this product, which is why I'm actually giving it to you for 100% free of charge. So that is actually that. Bonus number 2, I'm also going to be giving you the commission ignition replicator hijack, which is basically called Exodus. It is also another product that they actually launched a while back, which is going to show you exactly how to hijack commission replicator hijack, which is what I call it. So of course, along with all the upsells, of course, if you grab breakout code reloaded down below. Bonus number 3, I'm also going to be offering you James Daily high ticket commission system, which is called the infusion method, which also I have the license right to actually give it to you, both the front end and of course as well as the OTOs, of course all the upsells. Bonus number 4, I'm also going to be giving you the Mac Daily $60,000 per month blueprint, which is basically called a Phoenix, all the front end as well as the OTOs, which is upsells. Bonus number 5, I'm also going to be giving you this course, which is called Rebuilds, which is also another product from them that they launched that is going to show you exactly how to promote recurring offers. We are talking about maybe email marketing software, maybe landers or landing pages, all those click money stuff that they are basically recurring, meaning once you do the promotion once, you keep getting paid each and every single month, or depending on the plan of the product. So that is what this product is going to show you, recurring payday system. And on top of that, I'm also going to be giving you all the upsells completely free of charge if you grab breakout code reloaded down below this YouTube video. Bonus number 6, I'm also going to be giving you all my own hardware, which is basically my own course, which I launched July 10th 2021, which is called the Commission Revival, along with all the upsells. So meaning you are getting access to all my hardware, which costs almost $200 for just your $12 purchase of breakout code reloaded. And lastly, I'm also going to be giving you all the vendor bonuses, literally all the bonuses the vendor gives to me to give to you for 100% free of charge if you grab a breakout code reloaded down below this YouTube video. But remember, I have a countdown timer right here. When it does, eventually my bonuses are going to be expired, which is what I don't want you to miss, because I've spent a lot of time to actually get these bonuses, of course, and resources and my own personal funds, money, to actually get access to all these Mac and James products. So of course, and I'm giving it to you for 100% free of charge for just your purchase of breakout code reloaded. And once you grab that via the link down below this YouTube video, all your bonuses are going to be available inside your Warrior Plus account just below your purchase receipt. So now let's quickly take a look at the members area of what it is and of course what it includes. So first, you have a welcome video by James, basically walking you through. Then you also have the case study that I told you, $446,000 in 2021 case study. Is that insane? That is mad. So it's just halfway, so meaning they are literally aiming for $1 million in just affiliate commissions. Then you also have affiliate breakout reloaded, get the breakout reloaded mindset, and of course how to find hot offers to promote. Then you also have how to get approved for hot products, then recommended product to actually promote. So this is the recommended product that they actually recommend you to actually go and promote, which is, of course, I can attest that this one is a good product because I promoted and of course I made money from it. Then you also have the breakout code of funnels, which is basically what I told you, that they have everything set for you. You have the breakout code funnel 101, which is of course this they walk you through. Then how to build a converting opt-in page in ClickFunnels. So basically they use ClickFunnels, you can get access, and of course you can download your free breakout code funnel right here, which is what I told you. Literally all the funnels has been done for you. Then how to build your thank you page in ClickFunnels, of course, and of course you can download the thank you page as well if you want to. Then how to set up your exit intent, which is basically something, okay, I don't want to do that because it's part of the training, so it's not good to actually expose what is inside. Then connecting your autoresponder, how to connect your autoresponder to your pages. Of course you have GetResponse and Aweber, which is what they use. Then you also have the email cache reloaded, which is basically where the money comes in, because all these things literally come from emails, the follow-up that you actually do once you buy all these solo clicks. So breakout code email marketing 101, and of course you have building your epic breakout code follow-up sequence. This is the sequence that you have, so you can watch this and of course find out what it is. How to send cash on demand blast, and of course setting up your rotator link for blast. So this is how to set rotator. So basically with this rotator, what it means is that you can literally promote like 5 offers in single campaign. So meaning once you send the traffic, this rotator will actually keep rotating. If one person visit the page right here, it will show him different offer, and of course once he click the opt-in button, it will show him different offer. Once another person visit the page, it will show him another offer once he click on the button, and another person. So that is how the rotative system actually works. Then you also have the HTML mails, which is, I don't know why they are actually including it. So this is of course click view. Then you also have list segmentation, which is what I don't actually even know, so I have to watch it and actually see. So you also have the traffic, which is where everything comes. So tracking, how to track, and of course do the conversion, your click magic, which is what the software that they are using. Then you also have how to scale your solo ads effectively. So basically, like I told you, is using emails to actually make this strategy work. So you are going to be buying clicks, solo ads. So breakout code, buyer traffic on demand reloaded. So this is some of the traffic source that are the people that they actually recommended, which is why I like them, because they are completely transparent. They'll show you the person that they're actually using, and of course they'll give you access to the person. So you have a bonus, which is the Facebook group Surefire's lead. So how to use the power of Facebook groups. Then you also have a bonus, which is the reseller license for breakout code 2.0. Click here to secure your reseller license, which is just a bonus. Then breakout code a bonus of funnels, which is of course all the funnels. Like I told you, they have everything set for you. You don't have to bother. Grab your free trial. And of course Surefire list building strategy, how to build your list. This is it right here. Then you also have the follow-up series. Download your 3-day follow-up swipes right here. Then you also have the upgrade, which we are going to be talking about. So as you can see, they have a ton of training inside the breakout code reloaded as compared to other breakout that they actually releases while back. So I'm actually if I am to actually score this course, I'll actually score it 8/10, because you know you can't score anything 100%. Yeah. So that's actually about the members area. Let's quickly take a look at how much breakout code reloaded is going to cost you if you decided to pick it up via the link down below this YouTube video. So the front end price is going to cost you $16, but remember, I've shown you how you can secure $4 discount. Once you go through my link down below, you get it for literally 12.93 cents. You get access to all the powerful breakout code reloaded software, and of course training modules, plus $9.9 quick start guide, and of course live case study. Upsell number 1, which is the cash on demand 3.0, $37 with a downsell of $47. This way you are getting a work around the clock, and of course on complete autopilot, literally everything done for you. Then you also have the done for you package reloaded, $197 with a downsell of $97. Figuring out the exact funnels process that get this traffic converting crazy was the biggest part of the battle, but once you figure it out, of course everything is going to be profitable for you. So basically this is what they are going to be doing for you, which is the done for you package. Then upsell number 3, which is the breakout code reloaded inner cycle, $67 with a downsell of $47. This entire everything you need to maximize profit inside the Facebook group community, and of course weekly calls that they're actually doing. Then upsell number 4, which is the little black book reloaded, $47 with a downsell of $27. Upsell number 5, which is the unlimited traffic, $197 with a downsell of $97. Upsell number 6, which is the super reseller license light, which is $67 with a downsell of $47. You're getting approved to promote offers in half of the battle. Of course, for new affiliate, remember, they'll get you approved, and of course you can start promotion right away, which is one of the advantage of it. So but remember, even if you pick up the front end price, which is just $12, like I show you how to claim the discount, all my amazing bonuses, which is this breakout code, along with all the upsells, the Exitus along with the upsell, Infusion along with all the upsells, Phoenix along all the upsells, Reviews along all the upsells, and of course my own personal course, which is called Commission Revival, along all the upsells, and lastly all the bonuses that are going to be given to you. But remember, what I want you to do is to make sure that you didn't allow this countdown timer to actually hit 0, because when it does, eventually the bonuses are going to be expired, which is what I don't want you to miss, because I've spent a lot of time to get you these bonuses so you can get the best out of Breakout Code Reloaded. So that is basically that on my review on Breakout Code Reloaded. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to actually leave your questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer you as soon as possible, or as soon as I see your comment. So that's it for today's video. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.